From valleys deep to mountains high we rise, guided by the stars that light the endless skies. Together we face in this enchanted land, every shadow path of footprints in the sand. We'll find our way, no matter how far the skies may stray. The lands and only wander hand in hand, stars above and dreams that guide us into the ground. With every step our hearts beat as one, full of grace, bound by love, no distance we cannot face. We'll find our way, no matter how far the skies may stray. Night falls on the sea wall, shadows dance upon the wall. Moonlight whispers secrets low, in the darkness love will grow. Oh midnight, you bring me near to the heart of the city where lovers walk. When dreamers roam in your shadows, I am. You're all of equal length, bigger the base. Oh, the collector to regrets to bear and miss. We'll find our way, no matter how far the skies may stray. Night falls on the sea stalk, shadows dance upon the wall. Moonlight whispers secrets low, in the darkness love, and whispers of the breeze begins to play. On ancient winds it carries dreams our way. It lets our knees and the eyes so mean to see, to rise without its soul by the speed. We'll find our way, no matter how far the skies may stray. And sweet so proud dressed the brand and chased the usurpants, and all was stand